Hi, I'm Tony Nolan from G3N1U5 and welcome to my review about mlhub.ai. mlhub.ai is the web page for MLHub, the machine learning hub, which is the inspiration of Graham Williams and supported by a group of enthusiastic volunteers to be able to take artificial intelligence tools from middle primary school up to full-grown adults that can experience the beauty of artificial intelligence from an open source perspective. The website has been designed by Graham to cater for two different levels of users. For the expert user, you can go through, see a lot of code, and there are links to GitHub so you can see all the coding that underlies the majority of projects. For the novice user, there are a lot of instructions on how to use the website, how to load the packages, and how to actually make it run in both the command line and also a GUI application. For instance, if we look at the main side here where it says Get Quick Start, you can see that there is a quick start part. This has been designed for both Windows and Ubuntu, and all the different codes is there to actually get you up and running. You can also see here that there are package information, so you can see there's Animate, Audit, AZDCB, which we'll have a look at later on, bar charts, colonize, face matching, objects, rain forecasting. There is a whole series of different projects of where you can actually click into them, and each individual project then will take you to GitHub so you can see more of the information and the commands when required. The easy to use menu system on the right hand side has information about getting started, then the number of projects to do with visualization, then prediction, then image processing, then best practice, and then finally, if you have an Azure account, which you can get for free for 1 month, you then have all these other different artificial intelligence projects also. The AZDCB project by Graham actually has here the Azure Computer Vision. And for those people who are interested, there is a whole series of usage, how to install it, how to load it, and then some of the different pictures and that will be going through. But it is simple as copying the actual link that's in there, clicking the right mouse button twice for the Windows user, and there you can see the ski, outdoors, sunset, grass, and that is the actual image that it is assessing and telling you what different tags it can find. For the novice user, we can do the same thing by just typing in ML, then GUI, and then AZDCB, and we can bring up the GUI, which we can place down here, and simply we can then go to browse, we can find Ulu, we can then run the tags, and you can see down the bottom exactly that you've got up in the top window, you can see down there. One of the advantages of this for the Windows user is that you can also go to other locations to your computer to go to MNT, then C drive, and then we've got photos on MLHub, and then from here we could do boys with dogs, we could do tags, and it will actually come up with a series of results. But we could also go back here and go to my cat, we can click on there, we can then go on to OCR, and you will see the text actually appear beside there, and you can see the text actually appear up at the very top. You can see in the top window that is different to the bottom window, all the boundary boxes that are actually part of the recognition process. But what you can do is that you can have the same command and then do pipe CUT, then minus D, comma, space minus F2, and run that, and you will see that all the boundary boxes have been removed. G3M1U5 is an enthusiastic supporter of Graham's work. We actually have an image library, which I'll show you in a second, but the mlhub link actually takes you to a video of my 9-year-old and my 6-year-old son actually showing you how easy it is to use mlhub. Then down the bottom there is a small picture library that starts to show you a range of the different pictures that you can use to test it and see. If you actually go to mlhub itself, images, then you can see that there are a whole range of different images for you to be able to choose from. I would like to end this review today with one final demo of one of the more proficient artificial intelligence models on predicting rain. So as you can see on the left hand side, it's got ML read me rain, and then it tells you ML commands rain, and then ML demo rain. And you will see on the right hand side of the panel it will start to produce a range of different data, but you can actually see that on the left hand side it's actually produced a chart, and then as we continue through the demo you can see that more data comes, and then that there are actually some more charts that actually appear as well. This is a good demonstration of how simple it is to be able to show you the capability and the ease that you can actually use this software. Thank you for listening in to my review of the mlhub.ai website and artificial intelligence projects. Of course, you can go to the web address on your screen now to be able to follow through with anything more, and I hope that you enjoy using mlhub.ai for your own artificial intelligence adventures. Thank you.